You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those words once and for all. Correctly, they are indeed homophones, meaning they have exactly the same pronunciation, yes, very different spellings, very different meanings, but pronounced the same way. In English, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and pronunciation, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you, both pronounced mowed. The top word is from the verb mow, to mow, as in mowing the lawn, mow. The past tense is mowed, or participle mowed. And the bottom word is mode as well. A mode, as in a different function for a machine, for example, mode. English pronunciations here are mode. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.